Welcome back to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 Tech. My name is Asjit and today I will be showing you how to make a WordPress website step by step with the Divi theme. So he spent weeks making this video, so complete noobs like yourself can learn how to make professional WordPress website that look great, that are responsive, and you don't need to have any experience whatsoever. Plus you will learn how to use the Divi theme and all these features, which is currently right now the most popular WordPress theme in the world. So today after watching this video, you will be able to create your own website and you will become a WordPress pro. Trust me, this stuff is so easy. So after watching this video, you will have a modern professional looking WordPress website and you will be so good you can even start your own web agency tomorrow. So let's get started today with this WordPress tutorial. So today I will be showing you step by step on how to build and customize a modern and beautiful WordPress website. And the great part about this video is that you don't need to know any sort of coding or any HTML because we are using a drag and drop builder that makes it super easy to build your new WordPress website. And as you can tell, this website looks very professional yet simple. So I will be showing you how to build and customize every part of the website so you can walk away today with a beautiful website that your visitor will love. Now you can build any type of website you want with this tutorial. You can build a business website, a blogger website, a portfolio website, a tech website. You can build any type of website you want in this WordPress tutorial. So today in this video I will be showing you how to build your new website with WordPress and the Divi theme. Okay beginners, so this is the website that I will be showing you all how to make. And also in this video I will giving you all the demo images and the starter template to help you follow along in this WordPress tutorial. So let's first take a look at the header. So on the header we have a button and menus. We have also a logo. Under the menu we have a hero section where you can see a heading, a subheading, a description and a button which you can use to navigate to another page. Under this hero section you have a sign up form. You can add a sign up form and here you can add any heading that you want to add. Here is some little information about our company and also about us page link or our team link. Here you can add your services. I have used a dummy text here, but you can add your services. Also we have a call to action form here. Scroll down. Here we have some other brief about our services. Here we show our expertise and why to choose us. Here we can use any video and I will show you how to add a video in your WordPress page or blog. Again here you have some counters and you can share your clients, your projects you have done. Under there here you can add the companies to work for. Also we will add some blogs here and at the end we will use some contact form or contact us page. This is a single page website. At the end we have created this footer where we have used contact us and give some details about our company. Here we have some social media icons, some links about our website and our services. Here we have used our company logo, some brief text about our company and contact. So that is the simple brief of website that we are going to create in this tutorial. So keep following our next videos to get step-by-step tutorial about building a new website with Divi. So now for the step 1, we will purchase a hosting and create a domain. I have already purchased a hosting on SiteGround, so I will simply create a new domain. So I will go to website. You can add a website here, but I will create a subdomain. So I will click on Site Tools. Now go to Domains and then click on Subdomains. Now here I will create a new domain. So here I will add Divi and then click on Create. Now here you can see the subdomain was created. Now click on Install Application. Here's the application section. You can select WordPress or any other CMS, but I will select WordPress. Now here you have to select a domain where you want to install WordPress. I will select divi.𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Here you have to select language, the main folder. Under it you have username and password, and then you have to add email. I will type 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲@gmail.com. Now click on install. Your request is being processed. Wait until it completes. Now the WordPress was successfully installed. Now to take preview of your website, click on this admin panel. It will take you to your actual WordPress website. Here is some initial setup settings that are offered by SiteGround, but I simply exit them. Now you can see you have on your dashboard. Here the step 1 was complete. You have successfully purchased a hosting and a domain. So now take a look on some general settings. Now I will show you how to log in and log out. For this, here you can see your profile, and under your profile you can see a logout button. When you click on it, it will take you to login page. I will remove extra link and then enter. Now here you can see it's your site sample page. I haven't added anything yet on my website. So to log in, I will type /wp/ and then I will type admin. Then press enter. It will take you to login page. Now here you have to add your login credentials. I will add my email, and then I will add my password, and then click on login. Now you have successfully logged into your WordPress dashboard. I will show you how to add and install themes and plugins, but first of all I will show you some general settings. For this, go to users and click on profile. Here you can make changes in user profile. Here is the admin color scheme. You can change it, and you can see the dashboard color was changed. I will use modern or midnight. Modern is perfect. Now scroll down. Here is the username. You cannot change the username, but you can change the appeared name. If you add a blog and you show your name as author, you can add your custom name here. Here, remember one thing, add an email that is active. So if you forget your password, WordPress will send a link to your active email. After that, just click on update profile. Now your profile was updated. Now next I will fix these links. For this, I will hover over settings and then go to permalinks. Now here you can see some permalinks structure. Here is the plain structure, day and name with your post name, month or numeric, but I will use, and I suggest you to use, post name, because it only shows your post name front of your domain, which is SEO friendly. So after selecting the post name, just click on save changes. So now what we are going to do, we will create some pages. So if you visit your website, you can see there is no menu appears, and we doesn't have created any page yet. So go back to your dashboard and we will create a page. For this, I will click on pages, and it will take you to your pages setting. Here you can see two pages, privacy policy and sample page, which is a default created by WordPress. So now I simply delete these pages. To delete them, click on trash, or to delete bulk, I will tick this box. Both pages were selected, and I will select move to trash from bulk and then click on apply. Now the pages were deleted. Now we will add a new page. For this, I will click on add new. Now skip these settings and add a page title. I will type home. I will create this page with Divi, so I just publish this page. Now your page was successfully published. After creating home page, we will create 3 new pages. So I will click on this WordPress logo icon. It will take us to pages section. So I will again click on this add new button, and then I will add about us, and then click on publish. So now we have to do it 2 times more for our services and contact us page. So I will create services and then publish it, and do it again for our contact us page. Click on add new and add contact us. Publish the page. Now we have to create menus. For this, hover over appearance and then click on menus. Now here at the top you have to add menu name. I will add primary menu. Now here you have to add menus. You can add posts, custom link, categories or pages. I will add pages, so I will select them all and then click on add to menu. You can adjust them by dragging and dropping. Now it will appear like that and it looks perfect. At the end you have to select footer menu or primary menu. I will select only primary menu and then click on save menu. Now you have successfully created menus. Now visit site. Now here you can see you have successfully added menus in your WordPress website. Now next we will set up home page as our landing page. For this we will go back to dashboard. Now go to settings and click on readings. In readings here you have your latest posts and a static page. I will select a static page, select a home page. Here you have some settings like full text, excerpt or post per page. I will leave them, just click on save changes. Now the setting was successfully updated. Now next I will show you how you can purchase and add Divi theme in your WordPress website. So the next thing we are going to do is to purchase and install the Divi theme. For this, go to elegantthemes.com. Here you can see a pricing button. Click on it. It will take you to their pricing tables. Here you have two options, a lifetime access and a yearly access. But this is not a one-time fee. Here you can see lifetime access. You can buy it for lifetime. It's a one-time fee and also it gives you a money back guarantee. So click sign up today and here you have to create your account, your name, email, password and card number, etc. But I have already downloaded this theme, so I simply go to my website and then dashboard. Now I will click on appearance and themes. Now to install Divi theme I will click on add new. Now go to upload theme and choose file. Now I will choose Divi theme file from my computer. I choose it and then click on install now. Now the theme was installing. Wait until it installed successfully. Now you can see the theme was successfully installed. Now click on activate to activate the Divi theme. Now here you can see you have successfully installed and activated the Divi theme. Now you can use the Divi and Divi theme builder to create new pages and posts in your WordPress website. Now first of all I will take a live preview how my website looks after installing the Divi. So I will click on visit site. Now here you can see it looks like that. Here is the menus that looks different. Here Divi added a sidebar, the default logo of Divi, and at the end you can see a footer that was default created by the Divi theme. Don't worry, we will change them later, but now it's a default look by Divi theme. We haven't added anything yet on our website like post, and also we don't have any comment yet. So it looks like that, the default one. So in the next section I will show you how to start designing with Divi theme. Ready to now start designing the website using the Divi builder. So there's two ways to access the visual builder. On the top, click on enable visual builder and this will allow you to build your website on the front end. Also, if you click on edit the page, there is also another button to use the Divi builder on every single page. See how the top it says use the Divi builder. Go ahead and click on use the Divi builder. So next let's click on edit with the Divi builder. Alright, they are just welcoming us to the Divi builder. Let's just click on start building. And here we have three options. We can build from scratch, choose a pre-made template or clone an existing page. So on the left side click on start building. What I am going to do to help you all out is I am going to open up my demo website and I want to compare and contrast and teach you how to look at website and now how to build them with Divi. So here's the website that I showed you all in the beginning of the video. I am going to show you this website and then I am going to help you understand how to look at any website and kind of build it using the Divi builder. First we have this header, a full width header module, and then we have this hero section. Under this we have a sign up form, an about us section. Here we have some icon boxes. Under it we have sub hero section. Here we have edit services cards. Here we have another services section. Here we have edit the video. Here again we have a counter. Here we can use the brands and our supporters. Here we have the blogs, and at the end we have this contact us section. At the end I will also show you how to create this footer, and we also will talk about Divi design tips that I make your website look really nice. But first off, let's just go back to our website and just go stick to the basics. So here you have some rows where you can add a specific row to your website. Here you can add a blurb and a call to action or a button. If you want to move these elements, you can go ahead and drag them under this section. I can do that over here as well. I can also duplicate element at any time with this duplicate button, and then I can drag it to the other section like that. So that's just a quick way on how to kind of utilize the drag and drop aspect of this builder. But let's just create a full width section first. So in order to delete a section, you can go ahead and just click on this trash can to delete this module. Or if you want to delete everything inside this row, I can click on this trash can and everything is gone. Or I can go ahead and click on this trash can and that will delete the entire section. Okay, so now I will start building website that I have showed you now from scratch. So keep following our upcoming videos in order to maintain the sequence of how to create a single page website using Divi builder. So now we will start building a new website similar to this demo website. Now go to your website, click on this blue button and add a regular section. Now before adding row, I will edit this section. So I will click on this gear button, go to background and then click on gradient. I will add gradient background, so I will click on add background gradient. Select color, I will select this overlay color. Now scroll down, here place gradient above background image, I will enable it. Now go to image background, click on add background image. Now I don't have any image on media library, so I will select it from my computer. I will select this image. Now the image was uploaded, click on upload an image. Now go to design, leave the layout and divider, just go to sizing and change the height to 750 pixels. Now it appears like that. Now in advanced custom CSS, I will add a custom CSS here. You can find it in description below. Now click on this tick button. So I don't need this section, so I will click on this trash and delete this section. Now click on this green plus icon and add a single row. Now I will select text module and enable it. Now go to demo site and copy the hero section title, paste it here. Now go to design, leave the text setting, just directly go to heading text. First of all, make it H1, change its font. I will select Roboto. I will make it bold and underlined. I will change text color to white and its size to 64 pixels. I will change line height to 1.2 em. Now scroll down in sizing, change the maximum width to 60%. Now in spacing, I will add bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now leave the other sections, just go to animation and add a fade animation. So click on this tick button, click on this gray icon and add another text module. So here we will again add our description or subheading. Now go to design. Now I will open this text setting, change the font to Roboto, change text font weight to regular and text color to white. Now I will change the size to 15 pixels and line height to 1.5 em. Now in sizing, I will make maximum width to 60%. Now I will go to animation and make slide animation. Now animation direction I will make it up. Now click on the stick button and I will add a button. So I will click on this gray button to select a module and then select a button module. Now here I will redesign it. I will change the text to our work. Now directly go to design, leave the alignment and text, directly go to button section, enable custom style for button. Now here the text size, I will make it 16 pixels. You can change button text color, I will make it white. Now button background color, so hover over it and here you can see this arrow button. It means you can choose a background color when you hover over the button. So I will click this one. Now here you can see the hover section was appeared. First of all, I will add a background color for desktop view. I will make it blue. Now go to hover and I will make it red. Now scroll down, here is the border color. Again here I will click on this arrow and change the color for desktop to blue and hover to red. Now scroll down, here you can choose any icon. I will select this arrow because I have used same arrow here. Now scroll down, here the button icon color, I will make it white and only show icon on hover for button, I will disable it. Now the button and the icon appear without hovering. Now scroll down, just go to spacing and add some padding. I will add 7 pixels on top and bottom, 25 on the left side and 45 on the right side. Now the button looks perfect. Now go to animation and add a slide animation and changes its direction to up. Now click on the stick button. I am done with that section. You can review it like that or just click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now here you can see the same hero section as you can see on the demo site. Now after creating hero section, we will create sign up form section. So click on this plus button and then add a regular section. Now go to demo website, scroll down, here you can see it look like that. So go back to your website, don't add any row yet, edit this section, click on this gear button, go to background. Now I will add a background color, so click on this plus button and choose background color, add code and click on this tick button. Now go to design, in spacing add bottom and top padding of 20 pixels. Now click on this tick button, add a single row. Now edit the row, leave other settings, just go to column setting, go to advanced, custom CSS, and I will add a custom CSS, you can find it in description. Now click on this tick button and again click on this tick button. Now I am done with the row settings, just add a text module, search for text module and add text module. Now here add your text, choose HTML tag, I will make it heading 3. Now go to design, in heading I will directly go to H3, change the text font, I will select Roboto. I will leave other settings, just change its color to white. I will make its size to 25 pixels. in spacing, I will give it a margin of 30 pixels to the right and 0 pixels on the bottom. Now click on this tick button. Click on this gray plus button and add a button module. Now here I will add sign up now. Now in link you can add link for a sign up form, but I will create and add a sign up form later, so keep following our lectures. Go to design and directly go to button setting. Enable this styler. Change the button text size to 16 pixels. Here is the button text color. Enable this one. Now here you have two options, the color on hover and normal desktop color. For the normal desktop color, I will choose a background color. Click on this tick button. Now go to hover and I will make it white. Now scroll down, button background color. Again click on this arrow icon to enable background. Here I will add hover color to red and front color to white. Now scroll down. Here is the border color. I will again enable hover, add border color for the front end to white and back end to red. Now scroll down. Here you can show icon. I will select this icon. Now scroll down. You can select icon color, but I will leave it to the default. You can change the icon placement and here only show on hover. I will disable this one. Now it will enable like that. Now scroll down. In spacing, I will add 7 pixels of padding from top and bottom, 25 pixels on the left and 45 pixels on right side. Now click on this tick button. Scroll down. I will add slide animation from left, so it will appear like that. Click on this tick button. I am done with the sign up section, so I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see it will appear like that. Okay, so after creating sign up form section, we will create this about us section. For this, I will add a new section. Click on this plus button and then click on regular section. I will not add any row yet. First I will edit the section. Simply I will go to sizing in the spacing of this section and I will add 80 pixels of padding on top and bottom. Now click on this tick button. Click on this plus button and add a 2-column row. Now here I will add a code module. Now scroll down, go to backgrounds, click on background image and then click on this add image. Now I will select this background image, click on upload an image. This image is similar to this image. Now go back to your page, go to design. In sizing, give it the height of 500 pixels. Now scroll down and go to animation. Give it a fold animation to the center. Now go to advanced, open custom CSS and add in main element CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. Now click on this tick button, click on this gray plus icon and add another code module. Now scroll down, go to background. Here I will add a color background. Click on this pencil icon and add your color code. After adding color, click on this tick button. Now go to design. In sizing, give it the width of 100% and the minimum height of 500 pixels. Now here you can see it appears like that. Now go to advanced, custom CSS and add similar code here. Now collapse this CSS section and go to position. Give it the position of absolute and it will appear like that. Now we will give it a horizontal offset to -15 pixels and z-index to -1. Now go back to design. In transform, go to rotate and give it the rotation of 330 degree. Now I am done with this section. Click on this tick button and go to second column. Now here you can see I have added this about us at the top of my about us section. So go back. I will add a text module. Select this module. Add your text. I will add about us. Now go to design. In text, I will give it the font of Roboto. Leave it to regular and make it uppercase, so it will appear like that. Now here I will change the text color. Click on this pencil icon and change the color. Now click on this tick button and the color was changed. Now go back to content. In background, I will add a background color here. Now click on this tick button. As you can see, you have a background color now. Go back to design, text settings. I will make it 16 pixels and line height of 1.8 em. Now go to spacing and give it the padding of 8 pixels on top and bottom and 15 pixels on left and right. Now go to advanced, open custom CSS and add this CSS code in main element. You can also find this code in the description below. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus icon. Now add another text module. Now add your heading here. I have added this text. Now I will change the HTML tag to heading 2. Now go to design. In heading text, go to H2 tab, change the font. I will make it Roboto. Leave it regular. Add underline. You can change its color. I will make it dark black and I will also change its size to 28 pixels. Now in spacing, I will add 20 pixels to the bottom. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus button. Add another text module. Add your text here. Now go to design. In text, I will change its size, its font to Roboto. Scroll down. Here I will change its size to 15 pixels and line height to 1.5 em. Now go to spacing and give it the bottom margin of 20 pixels. Now click on this tick button, click on this gray icon and I will now add a bar counter. Now first I will go to design. In spacing, I will add 50 pixels of bottom margin. Now go back to content, click on this gear button to edit this bar and here you can add title. I will add plus web app development and here I will add percentage of 95%. Now go to design. Here in bar you can change the bar counter color. Click on this pencil icon and paste your color code here and paste your color code here. Click on this tick button. Now I will go to title text, change its color to dark black and size to 14 pixels. I will make its line height to 1.8 em. Now go to sizing and I will make its height to 5 pixels. Now go to border and add 8 pixels of border on 4 sides. Now click on this tick button and duplicate this bar. Click on this duplicate button, click on this gear icon to change and edit the bar. I will change the percentage to 85%. Now click on this tick button. Now let's take a look to the demo site. As you can see at the end we have a button. So go back to editor, click on this plus icon and add a button module. Now here I will add text our theme. Now go to design and then go to button section. Here use custom style for button. Enable it, change its size to 16 pixels. Now under this you can change the button color. I will enable hover and make the text color to the white on hover and desktop view. Now in button background I will again enable hover. For hover I will make it red, and for the desktop view I will make it blue. Now go to border color, enable hover and give it the same color as background. Now scroll down, here you have show button icon. I will select this icon. Now scroll down, only show icon on hover for button. I will disable this one, so it will appear like that. Now for the final step I will go to spacing, give it the padding of 7 pixels to the top and bottom, 25 pixels on the left side and 45 pixels on the right side. Now click on the stick button, hover over the button, it will appear like that. Now compare it to the demo site. Here you can see, here just I have used dummy text and here I have added the text. Now it looks similar to the demo site. Now in next video I will show you how you can add this icon boxes to your page, where I will show you our expertise. Okay, so after creating about us section, we will create this 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 or icon boxes to show our expertise. So go back to editor, hover over there and click on this green plus button to add new row. Select a row with 4 columns. Now in first column I will add a 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Now here you have the title, which is actually your expertise that you are going to type. I am going to type website design. Here you can add your description. I will add a dummy text there. Here is the image and icon. You can use an image related to your expertise or an icon. So I will select an image. I have uploaded these images on my media library, so I will select this one, website design. Click on upload an image. Now go to design. At top, image and icon, I will make its placement to the top and make its width to 50%. Make it's aligned to center. Now collapse the image and icon section and go to text section. Make the text center aligned. Now collapse this section and go to title text. This website design title is actually a H4 heading, so I will go to H4 tab, change the font to Roboto. Now make its size to regular, make it underline. Here you can change its color. I will enable hover. For the desktop I will make it blue, and for the hover I will make it white. Change its size to 20 pixels. Now it will appear like that. Now collapse this section and go to body text. First of all I will add font, so I will add photo font. Scroll down, here you can change its color. I will make black color for the front end and white for the hover. Now scroll down, here you can change the size. I will make it 16 and the line height of 1.8 em. Now go to spacing. Here I will add padding of 30 pixels to the top and bottom and 20 pixels to the left and right. Now go to border and I will add 4 pixels of border on 4 sides. Now collapse the border section, go to box shadow and I will enable the box shadow. After enabling box shadow, scroll down. At the end I will add animation. I will add fold animation to the center. Now I will go back to content and background. Here I will add a background. First I will enable hover. For the front end I will make it white, and for the hover, I will make it blue. Now it will appear like that. Now click on the stick button. Here I will edit the row. Go to design, and in sizing I will use custom gutter width. I will enable it and make it 2 pixels. Now click on the stick. Now I will add same 𝗧𝗯𝗶 to the next 4 columns. So first I will duplicate this module and drag it to the next column. Again I will duplicate it and take to the next column. I will do the same for the last one. Now I will edit this section. Click on this gear button. First I will change the title. I will make it web app design. Scroll down, image and icon, and I will change the image. Now click on the stick button. Go to third one. In title I will add e-commerce. Now scroll down and change the image and icon. I will select this one. Click on upload an image. Again click on the stick button. Go to the last one. Change the design. I will make it Android app dev. Now scroll down, image and icon, and change the image. Now click on the stick button. Now I am done with this section. So I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. As you can see, you have successfully added 𝗧𝗯𝗶s or icon boxes in your WordPress page. In next video, I will show you how to add call to action in your WordPress page using Divi. Okay, so now after creating 𝗧𝗯𝗶 or icon sections, icon boxes to show our expertise, we will move to create call to action section. Go back to editor, click on this blue button and add a regular section. First of all, I will edit this section, so I will click on this gear button. First I will go to background and add a gradient background. I will click on this plus button. Now I will change the gradient background color. Now click on the stick button, go to second color and add your code. Now scroll down. Here I will place gradient above background image. Now I will click on image background, click on this plus button, and I will choose this image from my media library. Click on upload an image. Now I am done with this section. Click on the stick button, click on this plus button, and again add a single row. Now in row, first I will add text module. Here I will add text call to action. Now go to background, click on this plus button and paste code here. Click on the stick button and go to design. In text, I will change font to Roboto. Make it regular and then uppercase. Now change its color to white and make it 16 pixels. I will also change its line height to 1.8 em. Now in alignment, I will make it center aligned. Now scroll down, go to sizing. Here I will add maximum width to 140 pixels. Now I will place it to the center. Now go to spacing. I will add 8 pixels to the left, to bottom and top, and 15 pixels to the right and the left. Now scroll down, go to border, and I will add 3 pixels of radius or rounded corner. Now I am done with this. Click on the stick button, hover over this module and click on this plus button and add another text module. Now here I will add my text. Now after adding text, I will make it heading to HTML tag. Now go to design, heading. I will go to heading 2. I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will make its color to white and size to 18 pixels. Now give it the line height to 1.3 em. Now go to spacing and give it the 10 pixels of bottom margin. Now directly go to animation and give it the animation of fade of 1200 milliseconds. Now one thing remaining in heading text, I will make it centered aligned. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and again click on this gray plus button and add another text module. Now here you can add your description. I have added this description. Now I will go to design. In text I will change font to Roboto, change its color to white, size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now make it centered aligned. Now go to animation, make it zoom to the center. Now click on this tick button. Now after this I will add another row. Select a single row. Now first of all I will go to row settings, click on the column settings, go to advanced and custom CSS. Add custom CSS in main element. I have added this CSS, you can find it in the description below. Now click on this tick button, again click on this tick button, click on this plus icon and add a button here. Now add button text. Now go to design, go to button enable styling, change its size to 16 pixels. Now here is the button text color. First I will enable hover. Now for the front end I will make its color to blue and for the hover I will make it white. Now for the button background color I will again enable hover. For the back end I will make it red and for the front end I will make it white. Now scroll down. Again I will enable hover for the button border color. I will make the color same as the background. Now scroll down. Here I will select an icon. Scroll down. Here I will disable show only on hover. Now the image will appear like that. Now scroll down, go to spacing. I will add 7 pixels of spacing to the top and bottom and 25 pixels to the left and 45 to the right. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and again click on this gray plus button to add a new module and select a 𝗧𝗯𝗶 module. Now here I will add title. Now in description I will change the description. Now go to image and icon. I will use icon here, so I will search for icon. I will select this one. Now go to design. At the top I will select icon color. I will make it white. Now I will change its placement to the left. Go to title text. Here the text is H4. Now first of all I will change its font. I will make it Roboto. I'll change its color to white and size to the 14 pixels. And I will also make it underline. Now go to body text. Make its font to Roboto. Change its color to white. Now go to animation. I will add fold animation to the right, for the left for this. Now go to advanced, custom CSS, click on 𝗧𝗯𝗶 title and add this code here. Now click on this tick button. Now I'm done with this call to action section. So First of all, I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this Exit Visual Builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added call to action button. Okay, so now after creating call to action button, we will move to create our services section. For this, go back to your website. Now I will add a new section for this. I will hover over here and then click on this blue plus button. Now add a regular section. Now before adding a row, go to section settings, click on this gear button, go to design and open spacing. Now here add 80 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now click on this tick button, click on this plus button and add a single row. Now take a look at demo site. Here you can see we have this our services button or a text module. So I will not add any button, I will add a text module. Now here I will add text. Now go to background, click on this plus button and add background color. I have added this color. Now click on this tick button and go to design. Open text settings. First of all, I will make it Roboto. Now change the text font style. I will make it uppercase and then change its color to blue. I will select this custom blue color. Now in text size I will make it 16 pixels and line height I will change it to 1.8 em. Now scroll down, go to sizing. In sizing I will make maximum width to 140 pixels and then make it center aligned. Now scroll down, go to spacing. I will make 8 pixels to the top and bottom padding and 15 pixels to the left side. Now go to border section and add 3 pixels of radius or border corners on 4 sides. Now I am done with this, so I will click on this tick button. So now after creating this button, we will add this heading. For this, go back to editor, hover over this section and then click on this plus button. Add a text module and paste your text in it. I'll paste my text and select the HTML tag of h2. Now go to design, heading text. I will go to h2 tab. I will change its font to Roboto. Now scroll down, I will make it center aligned. I'll change its color to dark black, change its size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now go to spacing. Here I will add 10 pixels of bottom padding. Now click on this tick button. Now I have created this top button text and heading. Now we will create these boxes. Now for this I will add another row. Click on this blue button and select a 3 column row. Now add blur B module. Now at the top I will add my title. I will use a dummy text. You can use your own text that you want to add. I will delete the description. Now go to images and icon. Here you can use an image or an icon. So I want to use an icon, so I will enable this section and search for an icon. I will use this icon. Now scroll down. Here is the background. Click on it and choose a background color. I will use this background color. Now go to design, image and icon. I will change the icon color to the white. Now scroll down, image icon placement. I will place it to the left side I will change its width to 50 pixels. Go to title settings and then I will go to H4 tab. Here I will change font to Roboto. Scroll down. Here I will change its color to white. Now under this I will change the line height to 1.3 em. Now go to spacing and I will add 30 pixels of padding on all four sides. Now go to border and I will add 4 pixels of border radius or rounded corners. Now I will go back to title text and I will enable underline. Now the text appears in underline. Now collapse this section and then I will go to transform. Now here first of all I will enable hover. So I will click on this arrow so the hover appears. Now I will go to hover and make it zoom to 102 pixels. Now when you hover over it, it zoomed in 2 pixels, 2%. Now go to advanced, open custom CSS and scroll down. Here is the 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 title. I will click on it and I will paste this code. Now I will go back to design section and enable box shadow and I will select this shadow. Now scroll down and I will change this shadow color. I pasted the shadow color code and I will click on this tick button. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. Now let's visit demo site. Here you can see the second 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 background is white. So I will go back to editor and duplicate this 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 and drag it to the next column. Now I will edit it. Now here you can change its title, but I have used a dummy, so I will not change it. I will go to images and icons and I will change the icon. I will search an icon, select an icon and scroll down to the background and I will change background color to the white. Now go to design. Here in image and icon I will change the icon color to black. Now collapse this section and go to title text. Now scroll down. Here I will change the title text color to black. Now it will appear like that. Now click on this tick button and go to demo site. Here you can see I have used 6 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲s. So go back to your editor, duplicate this first one and drag this module to the third column. Now click on this gear button, change the title if you want and go to image and icon. I will change the icon. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Now I will add 3 more 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲s, so I will click on this plus button to add a new row and I will select a row with 3 columns. Now I will duplicate this white background 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 2 times and drag it to the first and last column. Now I will duplicate this blue backgrounded 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 and drag it to the center column. Now I have completed 3 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲s. So first of all, editing these 3, I will edit the rows. Go to second row. Click on gear button. Go to design, sizing and use custom gutter width. Enable it and make it 2 pixels. Now after adding sizing, go to spacing and add 15 pixels of top padding. Now click on this tick button and edit these blur bees. So I will click on first one, click on gear icon. Here you can change the title. I will just change the icon. So I will click on this one, image and icon section, search for icon. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Go to centered column, click on gear button, collapse the text section and go to image and icon. Search for icon. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Now go to final one. Open the settings. Collapse the text section and go to image and icon. Now change the icon here. I will select this icon and click on this tick button. Now this section was successfully completed. Now I will update the page. So click on these three dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added our services. Now hover over it, it will zoom in. Okay, so after creating our services section, we will create why choose us section. For this, go back to page, hover over here and then click on this green plus button to add a new row. Now add 2 column row. Now first of all, before adding any module, I will add a new row. For this, I will go to row settings. So first of all, before adding any module, I will edit the row. So I will go to row settings and then design. In spacing, I will give it top and bottom padding of 80 pixels. Now click on this tick button. Now click on this plus button and add a text module. Now here I will add why choose us. Now go to background, add a background. I will add this one. Now go to design. In text, first of all I will change the font. I will select Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase and change its color to blue. Now I will change its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now go to spacing and give it the padding of 8 pixels from the top and bottom and 15 pixels to the left and right. Now go to border and give it 3 pixels of radius or rounded corners. Now go to advanced custom CSS and add a CSS code here. You can find this code in the description below. Now I am done with this, so I will click on this tick button. Now hover over it and click on this plus button. Add another text module. I will add this one. Now here I will add a heading. Now I have added a heading and selected HTML tag of h2. Now go to design, heading and go to h2 tab. Now select font. I will change it to Roboto. Select the font. Now make it underlined. Change its color. I will make it dark black. Now I will change its size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now scroll down, go to spacing and add the bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now go to animation and add a fade animation. Now click on this tick button, hover over the text module and click on this plus button and add another text module. Now add your text here a brief description about your expertise. Now I have added a brief detail about our expertise. So now I will go to design, text. I will change the font style. I will make it Roboto. Now scroll down. Here you can change the text color. I will make it 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now in animation, I will give it a slide animation to the up. Now click on the stick button. Again hover over it and add another module. Now I will select 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Now first of all, I will change the image or icon. So I will open this section and I will use an image, so I will enable it. Now here I will select this tick icon. Now go back to text and here I will add my title. I have added title. Now I will add description about it. Now I have added title and description. Now go to design. First of all, I will open image and icon. I will change the icon color. Now scroll down. Here you have the icon placement. I will make it left and change its size to 22 pixels. Now scroll down. Go to title text. Here I will change its font to Roboto. Make it underlined and I will change its color to this light blue, and I will change the text color to light blue. Now scroll down, go to body text and here I will just change its font. Now go to animation. I will give it a slide animation to the up. Now click on the stick button. Now let's take a view to the demo site. There it has two blur bees, so I will add another blur bee. So I will hover over it and duplicate it. Now I will change the text and description. Now I will change the title. Now after adding title, I will change the description. Now after changing the description, I will click on this tick button. Now at the end, I will add a button. So I will click on this plus button and then select a button module. Now here I will change the button text. I will add our services. Now I will go to design, go to button and enable custom style. Now I will make its text size to 16 pixels, button text color to white. Now button background color, I will enable hover. Now for the desktop, I will select its color to blue, and for the hover, I will change its color to red. Now scroll down. Here you have border color. So I will again enable hover. For the hover, I will select border color to red, and for the desktop, I will select its color to blue. Now scroll down. Here you have icon for your button. I will select this icon. Scroll down. Here you can change the icon color, and here you have option to show icon only on hover. I will disable it so the icon appears like that. Now scroll down, go to spacing. Now I will add 7 pixels to the top and bottom and 15 pixels to the left. Now it will appear like that. Now click on the stick button. Now I'm done with this column. So take a look to the demo site. Here you have this image with a light color background. Remember one thing, I have already add a similar thing in about us section. So what we are going to do, we will go to our page, click on these three dots and open navigator. Now here in third section, I will open first row, and in first column I have added these two code modules and use these images as a background. You can see I have added it here. Now first of all, I will duplicate first code module and drag it to this column. Now go back to your previous column and duplicate the second module. Now drag it to your column. Now I am done. Click on cross to close layers. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added this background. Now I will change the background image. To change the image, first I will open layers, open last section and go to place where you added this image. I have added in the second column here, so I will enable open settings. Now scroll down, go to background, go to image background, and here you have the image. I will click on it and change the image to this one. Now click on upload an image and then click on this tick button. Close the layers and update the page. Now you have successfully updated the page. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added why choose a section. Okay guys, so after creating this why choose a section, we will create this watch video section. Here I have used a button that I have created with the text module. Here I have used another heading module, a text module, a bar counter, and under this I have this video. So go back to your page. Here first of all I will add a new section. So I will click on this plus button and add a regular section. Now here you have to select rows. I will select a row with 2 columns. Now in first column you have to add a module. I will add a text module. Now in content I will type watch video. Now go to background. Here I will add a background color, so I will click on this pencil, click on this box and paste your code here. Now click on this tick button, go to design. At the top in text, first of all I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase and change its color to blue. So I will click on this plus button, click in this box and paste code here. Now click on this tick button. Here I will change the text size. I will make it 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now scroll down, go to spacing. Here I will add 8 pixels of padding to the top and bottom and 15 to the left and right. Now go to border and here in the rounded corners I will add 3 pixels on all 4 sides. Now go to advanced, custom CSS. In main element, click in the box and paste a CSS code that you can find in the description below. Now I'm done with this, so I will click on this tick button, hover over it and click on this plus button and again add a text module. Now here I will add a heading, so I will paste text here. Now in HTML tags I will select heading 2. Now I will go to design, heading text and then click on H2 tab. Now first of all I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will change its color to dark black and text size to 28 pixels. I will also change line height to 1.3 em. I will make it underlined. Now scroll down, go to spacing and add 10 pixels of bottom margin. Now go to animation and I will add a fade animation. Now click on this tick button, click on this plus button to add a new module in the next column. I will click on this plus button and add another text module. Now here I will add some description about our company. Now I will go to design. In text, I will change fonts to Roboto. I will change text size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now I will go to spacing and I will add 10 pixels of bottom margin. Now I will go to animation and add a slide animation with direction to upward. Now click on this tick button. Now take a look at demo site. Here you can see under the text you have a bar counter. So I will go to page, hover over here and click on this plus button, add a bar module. Now click on this gear button and change the text. I will add website development. Then I will change its percentage to 80%. Now I will go to background and add a background color. I will use this background color. Now I will go to design in bar. First of all I will change the bar color. I will make it blue. Now I will go to title text. I will change its color to dark black and size to 14 pixels. Now I will change its line height to 1.8 em. Now I will go to sizing. In height I will make it 5 pixels. Now in border I will add rounded corner of 8 pixels. Now go to advanced, custom CSS, click in counter title and paste CSS code here. You can find this code in the description below. Now I am done with this, so I will click on this tick button. Again click on this tick button. Now go to your demo site. Now I am done with this section. Now I will add a video. For this, go back to editor. Click here and add another row. I will select a row with single column. Now here I will select a video module. I will select this one. Now here you have a default video. I will delete it. Now to add a new video, click on this plus button. Here you can upload a video or directly insert from URL. I will insert from URL, so I will copy a URL from YouTube and paste it here. Now I will click on insert into post. Now scroll down, go to overlay. Here you can add an overlay image. I will click on this plus button and add this overlay image. I will click on upload an image. Now go to design. Here you can change the overlay background color. So I will click on this plus button and change this background color. I will select this one. Now click on this tick button. Now I will go to border and give it the rounded corner of 8 pixels. Now click on this tick button. Now here you can see I have completed this section. Now I will update the page. For this, click on these 3 dots and click on save. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here at the end you can see you have added these text modules and video. When you click on this play button, your video will start. Okay guys, so after creating watch video section, we will create this counter section or our work section in this topic. So first of all I will add a new section. So I will click on this plus button and add a regular section. Now first of all I will edit the section. I will go to design. In spacing I will add 80 pixels of top and bottom margin. Now I will click on this tick button, click on this plus icon and add a single row. Now here I will add a text module. Now I will add text. I will add our work. Now go to background. Here click on this plus button and paste your background color code here. Now click on this tick button. Now go to design. Here in text, first of all I will change its font. I will select Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase and I will change its color to blue. So I will click on this plus button, add color code here and click on this tick button. Now in size I will make it 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now I will make it center aligned. Now I will go to sizing. Maximum width I will make it 160 pixels, and then module alignment I will make it center aligned. Now in spacing I will add 8 pixels of top and bottom margin and 15 pixels to the left and right. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS, click on main element box and add font weight 400. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this gray plus button and add another text module. Now paste your text here. Now I have selected heading to HTML tag. Now go to design, heading text, go to H2 tab and change font style to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and change its color to dark black. Now I will change its size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will make it center aligned. Now go to spacing and I will add bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now I am done with that, so I will click on this tick button. Now take a look at demo site. Here you can see I have added these columns. I will go back to page. Here I will click on this plus button and add a 4 columned row. Now before adding any module I will edit the row. So I will click on this plus button, go to design. In spacing I will use custom gutter width of 2. Now I will go to content, edit first column, go to background. I will give it a background of white color. Now I will go to design and in spacing I will give it padding of 40 pixel to the top and bottom and 20 pixel to the left and right. Now click on this tick button and again click on this tick button. Now I will add background in section. So I will click on this gear button. In background I will add a background color. Now click on this tick button and you can see the background color was changed. Now click on this tick button, click on row settings, go to column settings, go to design and here I will add box shadow. Now click on this tick button, again click on this tick button and now I will add module. So I will click on this plus button and I will add a text module. Now here I will add my text. I will add projects done. Now in HTML tags I will select heading 3. Now go to design, heading text, go to H3 tab. First of all I will change its font. I will make it Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and then center aligned. Now I will change its color to this blue one. Now go to spacing and I will give it bottom margin of 0 pixels. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus button and add a blur B. Now here I will remove the title and description. Just I will add an image. So I will, here you can use an image or use an icon. I will use an icon and I will use this icon. Now I will go to design, image and icon. You can change the icon color but I will not change, leave it. Just I will change its width to 50 pixels. Now I will go to spacing and I will give it bottom margin and padding of 0 pixels. Now click on this tick button and hover over it. Now again click on this plus button and add number counter module. Click on this module. Now here you can add title but I will not add any title, so I will delete it. Now here you can add a number. I will add 200 plus. In elements, first of all I will disable percentage sign. Now I will go to design and then number text. Now here you can change the font. I will change it to Roboto. Now I will change number font weight to thin. Now here you can change its color but I will not change the color. Make it center aligned and I will change its size to 50 pixels. Now I am done with this, so I will click on the stick button and again I will edit the 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 module. I will go to advanced custom CSS. Now I will go to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 image. Now I will add margin dash bottom of 10 pixels. Now click on the stick button. I will go to project, this text setting, go to design. In spacing I will remove the 0 pixel of padding. Now click on the stick button and this section was done. Now I will go to row setting, edit the column, go to design and border. I will give it 8 pixels of rounded corners so it will look much better. Now click on the stick button and duplicate this column to 4 times. Delete the empty columns first and duplicate it 4 times. Now it's done. Click on the stick button. Now I will change the other columns content. So I will click on this text module. Here I will type satisfied clients. Click on the stick button, go to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, click on gear button, change the icon. I will select this icon. Now click on the stick button, go to text number counter module, edit it and change the number. I will make it 120 plus. Now click on the stick button, edit the third one. Here I will add countries. Click on the stick button. Now I will change the icon. So go to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 module settings, image and icon, and change the icon. I will select this icon, click on the stick button, click on this plus icon, click in this number counter module and then edit it. Change its number to 80 plus countries. Now click on the stick button. Now go to last one, edit the title to ratings. Now click on the stick button, change the icon, and here I will add 5 out of 5. Now I am done with this section. So I will click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this Exit Visual Builder button. Now scroll down, go to the end of the page. Now here you can see you have successfully added our work and the counters. Okay guys, so after creating counter boxes, now we will add this text module and a button module. Okay, so let's create meet our client section. For this we will add a row with 2 columns. Now before adding any module, we will edit the row. For this we will click on this gear icon. Now I will select column structure and I will select this one. Now go to design. In sizing I will equalize column heights. Now collapse the sizing section and go to spacing. Now I will add 60 pixels of top and bottom margin. Now click on the stick button, click on this plus button and add a text module. Now add your text here. Now after adding text, go to design. Here in text I will change the font. I'll select Roboto. Now I will change its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now click on the stick button and go to second column. Here I will add a button module. In button text I will add meet our team or meet our clients. Now go to design. Here in alignment I will make it right aligned. Now here in button I will enable style. First of all I will change the size to 16 pixels. Here is the button text color. Now here first of all I will enable hover. Now for the front end we will change the color to the blue, and for the back end I will make it white. Now button background, enable hover here. Now for the background I will change its color to red, and for the front end I will change its color to this one. Now go to button border color, enable hover here, choose blue color for the desktop view and red for the hover. Now scroll down. Here you have icon options. You can select icons. I will select this icon. Now scroll down. Here I will disable this only show on hover. Now the icon will appear like that. Now scroll down, go to spacing. Here I will add 7 pixels of top and bottom padding, 25 pixels to the left side and 45 to the right side. Now I have successfully added this button, so I will click on this tick button. Now I will update the page, so click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the end of post. Here you can see you have added this text module and here a button module. Okay guys, so after creating meet our client section, we will create this our partner section. For this I will go back to my page. Here first of all I will add a new section, so I will click on this blue plus button. Now I will add a regular section. Now before adding a row, first I will go to section settings, so I will click on this gear button. Now the settings was opened. First of all I will change the background color. I will click on this plus button, paste code here and then click on this tick button. Now you can see the background color was changed. Now I will go to design. In spacing I will add 20 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now I'm done with that, so I will click on this tick button. Now I will add a row, so I will click on this plus button and add a single row. Now before adding a module I will edit the row, so I will go to row settings. I will not change any design settings of row. I will directly go to column settings. Here I will go to advanced. In custom CSS, click in main element box. Here I will paste a CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. What this code do is to align all the modules that I will add now in a single line in the center of row. Now click on this tick button and again click on this tick button. Now I will add a module. Click on this plus button and search for image. Now select image. I will select this image and then click on upload an image. Now image was uploaded. Go to design, alignment. I will make it left aligned. Now in sizing I will change its width to 20%. Now I will go to spacing. I will give it bottom margin of 0 pixels. Now top and bottom padding of 10 pixels and left and right to 20 pixels. Now I am done, so click on this tick button. Now I will duplicate this 4 times. Now go to second module and change the image. Do the same with the other modules. Now I have changed the images. Now this section was completed, so I will click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this Exit Visual Builder button. Now scroll down to the end of the page. Here you can see I have successfully added our partner sections. It will look like same as the demo site. So in the next video I will show you how to create a blog and add blog post grid in your page. Okay guys, so now we have created this partner sections. In next we will create this blog post sections. But before adding this section, I will go to my website and then go to dashboard to create a blog. So I will click on this dashboard. Now go to posts and click on add new. Here add your blog title. I will add the blog title. Now you have 2 choices. You can use Divi builder to create your blog or use a default editor. Here I will choose a default editor. Now here paste or add your blog content. Now I have added this content. Now click on this post section. Here you have multiple options. You can change its visibility to public. You can make it private or password protected. You can publish it immediately or schedule name. Also you can change the post format. You can make it sticky to the top in the blog page. Here you have author. If you have multiple authors, you can select your author. Here is the category section. If you created any category, you can select it, or you can directly create a category. I will click on add new category, add name. Now I will click on add new category. Now the category was added, so you can check it. Also you can add tags that will helpful for search engine to show your post in search. Here is the feature image option. I will select a feature image from media library. I will select this one and then click on set featured image. Now the featured image was selected. You can also allow comments or disallow them. Now the post was completed, so I will simply click on this publish button. Now the post was successfully published. In next video I will show you how to create this blog post section in your WordPress page. Okay guys, so in the last video I have showed you how to create a blog post. In this video I will show you how to create this blog post section in your WordPress page, where you can show your post in a grid form. So to create a post grid or blog post section, go to your page. Here first of all I will add a new section. For this I will click on this plus button and I will add a regular section. Now I will add a single row. Now before adding any module, first of all I will click on section and edit this section. Go to section settings, design. In spacing I will add 80 pixels of top and bottom margin. Now I am done with that. Now I will click on the stick button. I will go to row settings. Here I will go to design, spacing, and I will give it bottom padding of 0 pixels. Now click on the stick button. Now I will add a text module. For this I will click on this plus button, search for text module. Now here add your text. I will add blog posts. Now I will go to background and I will add this color background. Now I will go to design. In text, first of all I will change the font. So I will select Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase. I will change its color to blue one. Now I will change its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now I will make it center aligned. Now in sizing, I will add maximum width of 140 pixels. I will align it to the center. In spacing, I will add 8 pixels of top and bottom padding and 15 pixels to the left and right. Now I will go to border and I will add 3 pixels of rounded corners. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and click on this gray plus button. Add another text module. I will select this one. Now add your text here. Now I have selected heading to HTML tag. Now I will go to design, heading text, go to H2. Here first of all I will change the font to Roboto. Now I will make it italic and centered aligned. Now I will add it underline. Now I will change its color to dark black, size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to spacing and here I will add 10 pixels of bottom margin. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. Now have a look on your demo site. As you can see, under button and heading I have added this post grid. So to add a post grid, go back to your page. So for this I will add another row. Select row. Now before adding any module, go to row settings, click on this row button and go to design. Here in sizing, I will use custom gutter width. I will enable it and make it 2. Now I will click on the stick button, click on this plus icon and add a blog module. Now here the post count I will make it 3. Now scroll down. Here you have different options to show excerpt or show full content. I will click on show excerpt. Post use post excerpt. I will click on yes. Here I will add excerpt length to 100 words. Now in elements, I will show featured image, show read more button, show author, date, all the things except comments count and show pagination. I will disable it. Now I will go to design. At the layout, I will select layout to the grid. Now here you can see the post was converted to grid. Now I will go to content, background. So I will enable hover here. For the hover, I will select this background color and click on this tick button. Now I will go to design, directly go to title text. Here I will select title text font to Roboto. Now scroll down. Here I will change its color black for the front end and I will enable hover and white for the back end. I will change its size to 20 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to body text. I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will change its color to dark black for the front end and white for the hover. Now I will go to meta text. Here I will also change its font. Now go to color. I will make it dark black for the front view and hover. I will make it white. I will change its size to 12 pixels. Now I will go to read more text. Here I will change its color to dark black. Here I will add Roboto font. I will make it blue for the front view and for the hover I will not select any color. I also make it uppercase. Now go to spacing and add bottom margin and padding of 0 pixels. Now go to border. Here I will add 8 pixels of rounded corners. Now go to advanced. Here in CSS ID and classes, I will add CSS class 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Now go to custom CSS. Scroll down. Go to read more button. and I have added this CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. Now I'm done with that, so I will click on this tick button. Now hover over here and click on this plus button and add a code module. Here I will add a CSS code. Here I have added the CSS code. You can find this code in the description below. Now click on this tick button. Now when you hover over it, it will appear like that. I will click on these three dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now here scroll down to the end of the post. Here you can see you have added blog post grids. When you hover over it, you can see your featured image in background and your text color was changed. If you want to view more, you can click on this button and you can take a look on entire blog like that. That's how you can create blog post section in your WordPress page. In next video, I will show you how to create contact us section. Okay guys, so after creating blog post section, we will create this contact us section. To create a contact us section in your WordPress page using Divi, first you need to log into the dashboard or simply go to your page settings. Now here you can see I have added this blog post section. Now under this section, I will add contact us section. For this, I will click on this plus button and add a regular section. Now before adding any row, I will simply edit the section settings. So I will click on this gear button. First of all, I will go to background and I will change the background color. I have selected this background color. Now I will go to design. In spacing, I will give it 80 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now I am done. Now I am done with this set. So I will click on this tick button and then I will add a row. Here you have structure of rows. I will select a row with 2 columns. Now before adding module, I will edit the rows. So I will click on this gear button. Now here I will not edit any design of the combined row settings, just I will go to second column. In background, I will give it white background. Now in design, I will go to spacing and give it to 60 pixels of top and bottom padding and 40 pixels of left and right. Now I will go to border and give it 4 pixels of rounded corner. Now I am done, so click on this tick button. Again click on this tick button and add a module. So before adding any module, first of all I will go to my demo site. Here you can see at the top I have this contact us. Under this I have an heading, text module, description about our contact us form, and here I have used 2 toggles. So first of all I will add this contact us. So I will go to my page. Here I will click on this plus button and add a text module. Here I will type contact us. Now I will go to background and I will add this background color. Now I will go to design. In text, first of all I will change the font to Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase. I will change its color to blue. Now increase its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now go to spacing. I will give it 8 pixels of top and bottom padding and 15 pixels to the left and right. Now go to border and I will give it 3 pixels of rounded corners. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS, go to main element and paste this code here. You can find the CSS code in the description below. Now click on this tick button. Now in next I will add a heading. So I will click on this plus button and again I will add a text module. Now here you have to add your heading. So I will select the text and paste your text here. Now select the HTML tag of H2. Now go to design, heading text and click on H2 tab. Now first of all I will change the font to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and change its color to dark black. I will increase its size to 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to spacing and give it bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now go to animation and I will give it a fade animation. Now click on this tick button. Hover over here, click on this gray plus button and add another text module. Select the text module. Now here you can add your description. I will use a dummy text here. Now go to design, text. I will change the font. Select the font. Now I will increase its size to 16 pixels and line height to 1.8 em. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. Now take a look at demo site. Here you can see under these paragraphs we have these two toggles. To add toggle, go back to your page. Hover over here, click on this plus button and add a toggle module. Here is the toggle module, select it. Now in the settings, first of all I will change its title. Paste the title here. Now I will change its description. I will use a dummy text here. Now in state, you can make its default state to closed or open. I will leave it to the closed. You can change its background color, but I will not go with this, so I will go to design. Here in icon, I will change the closed icon color to black and also black for open icon color. Now scroll down, go to toggle. Here I will use open toggle background color white and closed toggle background color also make it white. Now I will go to title text. In H5 I will change the font to Roboto. And I will also change its color to dark black. Now scroll down, go to spacing. I will give it bottom margin of 15 pixels and the padding of 18 pixels to the top and bottom. Now I'm done with this section, so I will click on this tick button. I will add another toggle, so I just simply duplicate this toggle. Go to second toggle and click on this gear button. Change the title and I will leave other settings including description. You can change description if you want and click on this tick button. Now take a look again on demo site. Now this section was completed. I have added this contact us, heading, description and toggles. Now in next I will add contact form. So go back to your page, click on this plus button and add a contact form. Now here you can change the text. You can add title, success message. I will just simply change the submit button text. I will make it send now. Now here is email. You can add email address and message pattern here. You can add a redirect by enabling it. When the message successfully sent, the user will redirect to your specific URL. Here you can add spam protection. You can use a spam protection service and use basic captcha. Here you can see the basic captcha, but I will disable it. You can change the background color, but I will not change the background color. Just go to design, in fields. Here I will change the field background color. I will select this background color. Now scroll down. Here field font, I will select Roboto. Now scroll down, go to button. Here I will use custom style for button. Click enable. Here is the button text size. I will make it 16 pixels. I will change button text color to white. Now here is the button background color. I will make it blue. Now scroll down, go to the button border color, click on global and then click on blue. Now scroll down. Here you can change the icon. I will click on it and select this icon. You can show icon. Here you have option to show icon on hover or by default. Let's see, when I hover over it, the icon will appear. This look much better, so I will leave it. there. Now scroll down, go to the border and add 4 pixels of rounded corners. Now I will go to advanced, custom CSS. Scroll down, here in the contact button I will add this CSS code. Now everything is done, so I will click on this tick button. Now I will click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the end of the page. Here you can see I have added this contact us section with the contact us a heading, description, toggle and a contact us form. In next video I will show you how to add this book a call section in your WordPress page using Divi. Okay guys, so after creating contact us section, we will create this book a call section. So to create it, go to your page. Here first of all I will add a new section. Select a regular section. Now before adding a row, go to section settings. Here in background, first of all I will change the background color to blue. Now click on the stick button, click on this plus button and add a single column row. Now go to the settings of row. Again, now go to the settings of column. Go to advanced, custom CSS and here add this CSS code. You can find this CSS code in the description below. Now click on the stick button, again click on this stick button and add a module. I will add a text module. Now here I will add text. Now I will select HTML tag of H3. Here the text was appearing. Now go to design, heading, go to H3. Here I will change the fonts to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and change the text color to white. Now I will make it 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to sizing. I will make it maximum width to 70%. Now I will go to spacing and here I will add 0 pixels of bottom margin and 30 pixels to the right. Now I am done with this section, so I will click on this tick button, hover over here, click on this plus button and add a button module. Now here I will add text book a call. Now go to design and directly go to button settings. Enable button settings. Here first of all I will change the button text size to 16 pixels and I will make text color to blue. Now scroll down, I will change button background color to white and button border color to white. Now scroll down, here you have icons section. I will select this icon and enable show only on hover. Now scroll down, go to spacing. Here I will add 7 pixels of top and bottom padding, 25 pixels to the left and 45 pixels to the right. Now go back to button settings, scroll down and disable this show only on hover. Now the image was appear. Now the icon appear in front of your text. Now scroll down, go to the animation, add slide animation and change its direction to the left side. Now it's done. Click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the end of the page. Here you can see I have successfully added this book a call section. Okay guys, now you can see we have created the full page as similar to the demo site. But here we have a different header and a different footer. Now what we are going to do, we will create a header similar to our demo site like that. For this we will log into the dashboard. Now go to Divi and click on theme builder. Now here you have three options. You can add a global header, a global body, or a global footer. First of all, I will create a global header, so I will click here. Here you have two different options. You can build global header or add from library if you have any template created, but I will build from scratch, so I will click on build global header. Now go to section settings and click on this gear button. Now first of all, I will change its background color to white. Now I will go to design, layout, I will make it show inner shadow. I will enable it. Now I will go to spacing and give it padding of 0 pixel to the top and bottom. Now click on this tick button. Now I will add a new row. So I will click on plus button and add a 2-column row. Now before adding any module, I will edit the row. So I will go to column structure and select this one. Now in design, I will add sizing. I will enable custom gutter width and make it 2. Now I will change width to 90%. Also I will change maximum width to 90%. Now go to spacing and give it 15 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now go to content and then go to second column and go to advanced custom CSS and select main element. I'll paste this code here. Now click on the stick button. Again click on the stick button. Now I will add a module. So I will click on this plus button and here I will add logo. So I will select an image module. Now I will select my logo from media library. Now I will select this image and then click on upload an image. Now the image will appear like that. Now to edit image, I will go to design. First of all, in alignment, I will make it center aligned. Now I will go to sizing and I will change its maximum height to 65 pixels. Now in sizing, make sure to enable this space below the image. Now click on the stick button. I am done with logo, so I will go to second column. I will click on this plus button and add a menu module. Here you have to select the main menu. Here you can add a custom logo, but I have already added a logo, so I will leave it. Here in elements you can show a shopping cart and a search icon, but I will not show any cart and search icon directly. I will go to design. Here in layout, make sure to style aligned left and drop down to downward. Now go to menu title. Here active menu color, I will make it blue. Menu font, I will change it to Roboto. Here I will change its size to 16 pixels, color to black and hover color to blue. Now I will go to spacing and give it 0 pixels of bottom margin. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and click on this plus button. Now I will add a blur B. Here first of all I will add call us text and here I will add my custom text. Now I will go to image and icon. I will use an icon. Here I will search for icon and select this icon. Now here you can change the background, but I will leave them. Just I will go to design, image and icon. Here I will change icon color to black. I will change its size to 36 pixels and its placement to the left side. Now scroll down, go to the title text. I will change its font to Roboto, make it underlined and I will change its size to 14 pixel. Now I will go to body text. I will change its font to Roboto and color to blue. Now I will go to spacing and give it 0 pixels margin to the bottom and 30 pixels to the left and right. Now go to advanced custom CSS, go to blur B title and paste code here. Now I have added this code here. You can find this code in the description below. Now click on the stick button. Now you can see the blur B looks perfect now. Now for the final step I will add a button. So I will select a button module. Here I will add contact us. Now I will go to design, leave the other setting, just go to button and here I will choose a custom style for button. I will change text size to 16 pixels, text color to white. Here I will change the background color to the blue one. Now I will also change the border color to the blue. Now here you can change the font of this text. Here you can use any icon, but I will go with the default icon. Here you can the show icon on hover only or on default condition. I will use show only on hover. When you hover over it, the icon was appear like that. This is perfect. So I will go to spacing. Here I will add 7 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now I am done. So I will click on the stick button. Take a look to the demo site. Now you can see here I have used logo, menu. Here I have a blur B and a contact us button. Here I have a logo, menu, contact us and contact us button. So it's done. I will click on these 3 dots and save the header. Now the header was successfully updated. Now I will go back to theme builder. Here you can see you have successfully added global header. Now click on save changes. Now header was updated. Now visit your site. Now here you can see the header was successfully updated. Okay guys, now you have seen how to create this global header. But one thing, when you click on these menus, you don't see any action to be done. So I will make these menus work properly. Now what I am going to do, I will add a navigation menu. So when I click on this about us, it will navigate me to this about us section. And then I will click on services menu. It will take me to this our services section. And when I will click on this contact us, it will take me to our contact us form. So to create navigation menu, first we need to enable visual builder. Now in editor, I will add CSS ID. So to add ID, first I will click in this section. Now I will go to this first section, settings. Now directly go to advanced. Here in CSS ID and classes, I will add CSS ID of home. Now click on the stick button. Now next we have about us menu. So I will go to about us section. Here is my about us section. Here I will go to row settings. Click on this gear button and then go to advanced, CSS ID and classes. Here I will add CSS ID of about. Now click on the stick button. Next we have this services menu. So I will scroll down. Here I have our services section. So I will go to row settings, advanced, CSS ID and classes, and here I will add services. Now again click on the stick button. Now at the end we have this contact us menu. So go to contact us section. Here I have my contact us section. I will go to row settings, advanced, CSS ID and classes, and here I will add CSS ID of contact. Now click on the stick button. Now I will click on these 3 dots and I will save the page. The page was successfully updated. Now what we are going to do, I will go to dashboard. Now when you come to dashboard, go to appearance and click on menus. Now here I have already added menus. You can add pages as menu, you can add post, projects, you can use categories, but I have used these custom links. Just I have added link URL here and here I have used text. Now I will open first home menu. I will click on this arrow button. Now here I have this navigation label that appears at the top in menu sections. Here I will add CSS ID. In our page I have used home. Here I will use hash with home. Now I will collapse this one and go to about. Here also I will add my CSS ID. Now collapse it again and go to services, add CSS ID here. Now go to contact and again add contact CSS ID here. Now it's done. Click on save menu. Now the menus was successfully updated. Now I will take a view at my site. So I will visit my site. Now when you reach to your site, first of all I will click on this home menu. It will scroll down like that. Now I will click on about us and it will take me to my about us section. Now go back. Here I will click on services. Now it will take me to my services section. Now go back to menus and click on contact us. Now it will take me to my contact us section. Now go back to top. Here you can see I have used this contact us, but this button was not working. So what we have to do, I will enable visual builder. Now I will edit this global header template. Now I will edit this button module. Here in the link I will use hash contact. Now click on the stick button, click on these three dots and update the page. Now the page was updated. To see button in action, you have to exit the visual builder. Now click on contact us. It will take you to your contact us section. Okay guys, so now I have created this navigation menus. So after that, what I am going to do, I will make these buttons to work properly. Now here you can see when I will click on these buttons, it will redirect me to the same page, but I will make them to work properly and navigate me to a particular section or a new page. Now here you can see I have added this sign up now button. So here I will create a pop-up that allows you to subscribe. So when you click on it, a pop-up will appear and the user can subscribe to our newsletter. So first of all, what I was do, I will go to dashboard. Now here first of all I will install a plugin. So I will go to plugins and click on add new. Now I will search pop-ups for Divi. Now install this first plugin and then activate it. Now the plugin was successfully activated. Now I will go to pages and edit my page with Divi. Now before making changes in this button, I will go to end of this page. Here I will hover over here, click on this plus button and I will add a new section. So before adding any row, I will go to section settings. Here you can see an extra tab of pop-up. I will open general settings and this is pop-up. I will make it yes. Now here I will add pop-up ID. Now go to behavior. Here you can change its behavior, close other pop-ups, enable exit intent and close on background click. I will enable it. Close button, you can use a close button or not, but I will use a close button and make it dark. Now in layout, you can change it to default shadow and show loader. I will disable it. Just I will click on the stick button. Here I will add a new row and in this row I will use an email opt-in module. Now here you can see I have added email opt-in. So here I will change its settings. First of all, I will change its title. I will type subscribe. In subscribe button I will leave it to the subscribe and here I will add some body text. Now after adding text, I will go to email account. Here the main settings, you can choose your service provider. Here you have multiple options like HubSpot, MailChimp and many others, but I will use MailChimp. Now here click on add. Here you have to connect your MailChimp account with the email opt-in. First of all I will add my account name and here I will add API key. You can find this API key in your account by going to your profile. Now click on this account and billing. After this, hover over extras, click on API keys. Now scroll down. Here I have my API key. You can find it or click on create a key and then you can find it. Now copy this API key, go back to your account and paste your API key here. Now click on submit. Now the email account was connected successfully. Now here I will select a list. Now go to field. Here you have field options. You can use a single field name or field name with first name and last name. I will use a single field name. Here I have used custom fields, but I will not add any custom field. Here is success action. You can display a message or redirect it, but I will display a message. Here I will add subscribed. Now you can add spam protection, but I will leave it. Just I will go to background. Here I will change the background color to blue, so it looks similar to my website design. Now I will go to design. Here in layout, you can make body on right and form on left, body on top and form on bottom, but this one is perfect. Now here you can make any field to half width. Here you can see it appears 50% in the form, but I will use it 100%. Now go to fields. Here you can change the fields color. In the background, I will change the field background color to this one. Now here is the field text color. I will leave it to the default. Now focus background color, I will use this color. So when you click on it, the color was changed. Here is the focus text color. I will make it dark black. So when you click on in your field, the text appears dark black. Now scroll down. Go to title text. Here I will change the font to Roboto. I will make it underlined and its size to 28 pixels. Now I will go to body text and I will change its font size to Roboto. I will change its size to 16 pixels. Make its body line height to 1.8 em. Now I will go to button. Here I will enable button settings. I will make it 16 pixels. Now I will change button text color. I will first enable hover. Now for the front end I will make it blue, and for the hover I will make it white. Now go to background. I will enable hover here. For the hover I will change its color to blue, and for the front end I will make its background color to white. Now scroll down. Here you can change any icon. When you hover over it, icon, I will use this icon, so it will appear like that. Now go to animation and I will add fade animation. Now click on the stick button. The form is now completed. Now go back to the buttons where I want to add this pop-up. Here is the button, so I will click on its settings, go to link and type your pop-up ID with hashtag. Here I will type hash and then I will add pop-up 1. Now copy it, click on the stick button and go to second button. Here hover over it and go to settings and link, paste ID here. Now click on the stick button, click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will visit the live site. So I will click on exit visual builder. Now scroll down to the buttons. Now click on this sign up now button. Now you can see the pop-up appear like that with the form. Now here I will add my name and here I will add email. I will use a dummy email here. Now click on subscribe. Now you can see a success message of subscribed. Now you can get, now the user was subscribed to our newsletter and he will get email alerts from us. Okay guys, So now after creating subscribe form pop-up, I will go to contact us section, and here I will test my contact us form. Here I will add a dummy name and a dummy email. Now I will type my message, and then I will click on send now. Now you can see I have received a confirmation message that thanks for contacting us. Now I will check my email account to confirm whether it sent email or not. So I will open my email account. Now here at the top you can see I have received this mail. I tested. Now go back to your page. Now what if I want to change the receiving email? For this I will enable the visual builder. Now after enabling visual builder, scroll down to the contact us section. Now hover over contact us module and click on this gear button. Now here you have different options, but I will directly go to email. Here you can add your custom email. I will add my email. Now after this, click on this tick button, click on these three dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will exit the visual builder. Now go to contact us section, and here I will type again a dummy message. Now I will click on send now. Now the message was sent successfully. Now I will go to my second email account that I have added now. Now I will open my email account. Now go to promotion, and here you can see I have received this message. So that's how you can test and change the email from your contact us form. Okay guys, so now after creating sign up form pop-up and testing and changing the email in the contact form, now we will move to the about us section. Here in the about us section you can see I have this our team button. When I click on it, this button will not work. So now I will create an our team page, and then I will link this page to this button. So first of all, to create an our team page, I will go to dashboard. Now I will go to pages and click on add new. Here I will add page title, theme, and then I will publish it. After publishing the page, now I will click here in this section, and then I will click on this use Divi builder button. Now here you can see you have three different options. You can clone an existing page, choose a pre-made layout, or build from scratch. I will start building from scratch. Now here, before adding any row, first of all I will edit this section. Now I will go to design, spacing, I will give it 120 pixels of top and bottom, padding. Now click on the stick button. Now here click on this plus button and add a single row. Now I will go to row settings, go to design, in spacing I will give it 10 pixels of top, padding. Now click on the stick button, click on this plus button and add a text module. Now here I will add my text. I will type our team. Now here in this drop down you can change the HTML tag. I will make it heading 2. Now I will go to design. In heading text I will go to H2 tab. Here I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will make it uppercase and underlined. Now I will make it center aligned, so it will appear like that, and I will change its color to blue. I will make its size to 28 pixels. Now go to spacing, and here I will give it bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now click on this tick button. Now I will add another row with 3 columns. Now here first of all I will add an image module. Now I will select image from my media library. I will select this image and upload an image. Now I will go to design, scroll down to the animation, and here I will add fold animation and change its direction to center. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this gray plus button and add a text module. Here I will add its name. Now I will change its HTML tag to heading 3 and go to design. Now click on heading text and go to H3 tab. Here first of all I will change its font to Roboto. Now it will appear like that. Now I will make it uppercase and underlined. I will change the text color to dark black and make it center aligned. I will leave the size, just I will go to spacing and give it bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now click on this tick button, hover over here and click on this plus button. Here I will add social media follow buttons. Now I will select this module. Now here you can see you have Facebook and Twitter icon by default. I will add another, so I will click on this plus button, then I will click on this drop down and select LinkedIn. Now here in link you can add your profile URL, but I will not add any link here. You can use it as your choice. Now I will go to design. Here in icon you can change the icon color like that, but I will leave them. Just I will click on the stick button. Now I will go to design. In alignment I will make it center aligned. Here you can change the all 3 icons color, like icon color of Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. You can make it dark black or any other color that you want, but I will leave them as default. You can add animation, and here in CSS you can add your custom styles, but I will not add custom styles, so I will click on the stick button. Now I will go to row settings. Here first of all I will go to spacing and give it top and bottom padding of 0 pixels. Now go back to content. First of all I will delete the remaining 2 columns and I will duplicate the first column 2 times. Now you can see it will appear like that. Now click on the stick button and change the settings of other columns. Go to second image. Here I will first change its image and click on upload an image. Now click on the stick button, go to text and paste the text or add new text here. Now click on this tick button. Now you can see you don't need to change the design options because it is already designed. Now go to last one, edit the image, change the image from your media library, upload an image. Now click on the stick button and go to third one, change the text and click on the stick button. Now I am done, so I will click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will go back to dashboard. Now I will go to pages. Here I will copy the team page link. So I will right click on this view and copy the link address. Now I will add it with Divi the home page. Now the home page setting was opened. Scroll down. Now go to the button. Here I will click on this module. Go to its settings. Go to link and here I will paste the link here. Now here is the link target. You can open it in same window or in new tab. I will make it open in the new tab. Now click on the stick button. Now click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will test the button working or not. So I will click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the button. Here you can see our team button, click on it, and our team section was opened like that. Now that's it for today. Today we learn how to create our team section and add the link in the button and change the target to open in new tab. Okay guys, so now after creating our team section, we will create this our services page, and after creating our services page, I will add link here and you can visit your page by clicking on this button. So first of all, I will go to dashboard. Now after login to the dashboard, go to pages. Here I have already created services page, so I will simply click on edit with Divi. Now here you have three different options. You can clone an existing page, choose a pre-made layout, or build from scratch. I will start building from scratch. So now before adding any row or module, I will edit this section. So I will go to section settings. Now I will go to design, open spacing, and here I will add 100 pixels of top and bottom padding. Now click on the stick button and then add a single row. Now here I will add a text module and then I will paste my text here. Now you can see I have selected H2 heading tag. Now I will go to design, heading text. I will go to H2 tab. Now here I will select Roboto. Now I will change its color to dark black and size to 30 pixels. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and click on this gray plus button and add another text module. Now here you have to add your text or description. I have added this. Now I will go to design. In text, first of all I will change its font to Roboto. Now I will leave the color as it is and size to 16 pixels. Now I will make its alignment to the center and it will appear like that. Now click on this tick button and go back to your first text module, design, heading text, H2 tab. Here I will make it underlined so it will appear much better. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and add another row. Now here I will select a row with 3 columns. Now before adding any module, I will edit the row settings. I will edit the row, so I will go to settings, design. Here in sizing, I will enable use custom gutter width. I will make it 2. Now go to spacing and give it top and bottom padding of 0 pixels. Now click on the stick button, add a blur B module. Now here you can add your text, title text, and here you can give a brief description. So now here I will add title. Here I will add some description. I have used a dummy text here. Now in image and icon I will use icon. Here I will search for icon and I will select this one. Now I will go to design, image and icon, and I will change the icon color to black or something transparent. I will change its size to 100 pixels, leave it to the center aligned and placement to the top. Now scroll down, go to the text and make it center aligned. Now here in title text, I will change its font to Roboto, make it underlined. I will change text color to blue and size to 20 pixels. Now in body text, I will change its font to Roboto, make its size to 14 pixels and change its text color to dark black. Now I will go to spacing and here I will add 25 pixels of padding on all 4 sides. Now in border, I will make 4 pixels of rounded corners, and in box shadow I will add this first one. Now you can see it appear like that. Now I am done with that, so I will click on the stick button duplicate it and drag it to the next column. Now again duplicate this 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 module and drag to the next one. Now here I will change the icon and text. Here I will change its text. Now I will change its icon. I will use this icon. Now click on this tick button, go to third one. I will paste text here and then I will change its icon. Now click on this tick button. Now I will duplicate this row. Now you can see there is no space between the columns. So what I will do, I will go to row settings. In design, I will go to spacing and here I will remove the 0 pixels padding to 30 pixels on both sides. Now I will click on this tick button. Now you can see it appears much better. Now edit this 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, change the title. Now I will change the icon. Now edit the second one, change the title and then change the icon. Now go to final one, edit it, change the title and icon. Now I have completed this, so I will click on these 3 dots and publish the page. Now the page was successfully published. Now I will go back to dashboard. I will go to pages. Here first of all I will copy this page link, so I will right click on view and then copy the link address. Now I will edit the home page with Divi. Now go to services button. Here you can see I have my our services button, so I will go to this module and go to its settings. Now I will go to link and paste the link here. Now here is the link target. I will change it to in the new tab. Now click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will test the button live, so I will exit the visual builder. Now go to button. Here you can see our services button, click on it and it will take you to your services page. Now that's how you can create our services page using Divi. Okay guys, so now we have this button that was not working yet. So under this we have another button. This our meet our client button also doesn't have any link in it. So first of all I will add link in this our work button. So for this, first of all I will open dashboard in new tab. Now I will go to pages and I will copy the services page link. Now I will go back to page and enable visual builder here. Now here go to this button settings and click on this gear button. Now go to link, here paste the link that we have copied. Now here you have link target. You can open it in the same window or in new tab. I will click on open in the new tab. Now click on this tick button. Now this button have a link. Now we will move to the next button. Now here we have this meet our clients button. Now before adding any link in it, first of all I will go to this our client section and here in the section I will click on this gear button. I will go to advanced custom CSS ID. Here I will add it CSS ID of clients. Now copy this ID and click on this tick button. Now go to meet our client button, go to its settings. Here in link paste the CSS ID and put a hashtag with it. Now you can change the target, but here make sure to select in the same window because this link will flow the page to the next section. Now click on this tick button. Now here I have added the link in both the remaining buttons, so I will click on these 3 dots and now I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will test the button. So I will click on this exit visual builder button. Now I am on my main page. So here first of all I will click on our work button. So it will take me to the given link. Now here you can see I have mentioned our services and works. I have done work in WordPress, e-commerce, and Write applications, web applications, HTML and HTML5 and CSS. Now I will go back to page. Now scroll down and go to second button. Now here is the second button. Now when I click on meet our clients, it takes me to this section where I have mentioned my clients are partners. Now that's how you can add a navigation link in this button and other page link in the first button. Okay guys, so now we have almost completed our entire website. Now one thing remaining is the footer. So here I will create a global footer like this I have on my dummy site. So for this first I will log into my site. I will go to dashboard. Now when we log into the dashboard, go to Divi and then click on theme builder. Now here you can see you have three different options: global header, global body and a global footer. I will click in global footer. Now here you have two options. You can add from library if you have created any template or downloaded any template. You can add from library or you can build from scratch. I will click on build global footer. Now the editor was open. First of all I will go to section settings. Now I will go to design and spacing. Here I will give it 80 pixels of top and 10 pixels of bottom padding. Now I will click on the stick button. Now I will click all row with 4 columns. Now before adding any module I will go to row settings. First of all I will go to design and sizing. I will enable use custom gutter width. Now I will make it 2. Now collapse this section and go to spacing. Here I will give it 30 pixels of bottom padding. Now I will click on the stick button. Now in first column I will click on this plus button and add an image module. Now here I will select my logo. I will select this image and then I will click on upload an image. Now go to design, alignment, I will make it left aligned, and in sizing I will change its height to 80 pixels. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and add a text module. Now I will paste my text here. Now I will go to design, text. Here I will change its font to Roboto. I will change its text size to 15 pixels, line height to 1.8 em. Now I will go to advanced custom CSS, and here in main element I will add custom CSS of font weight 400. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and add a blur B module. Now here I will type title get in touch. Now here I will add a contact number. Now I will go to image and icon. I will use an icon, search for icon. I will select this one. Now I will go to design. Here in image and icon I will change the icon color to blue. Now I will change its placement to the left side and size to 36 pixels. Now I will go to title text. Here I will go to H4. I will change its font to Roboto, make its size to 14 pixels and underlined. Now I will go to text, body text. Here first of all I will change its font to Roboto and then I will change its color to blue. Now I will go to spacing. Here I will give it 30 pixels of top margin. Now I will go to advanced custom CSS and here I will add a CSS of font weight 400. Now click on this tick button. I am done with first column, so I will go to second one. Here first of all I will add a text module. Here I will add my text. Now I will change this contact us to H4 HTML tag. Now I will go to design. In heading text, I will go to H4 tab and change its font to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined, and I will change its line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to text and I will change its font to Roboto. Now go to advanced, custom CSS. In main element, type font weight of 400. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and duplicate this again. Now click on this gear button and I will change the text. Now I will go to design. In spacing, I will give it 30 pixels to the top and 10 pixels to the bottom margin. Now click on the stick button, hover over here and add a social media follow module. I will select this module. Now here you can see you have two different modules. First of all, I will go to first one. Here in Facebook, I will go to background and I will change its background color. Now I will go to design. In icon, I will change icon color to this one. Now I will go to border and I will change the border rounded corner to 50 pixels, border width to 1 pixel and its color to this one. Now click on the stick button, delete the second column and duplicate first two. Now I will go to its settings. Here I will change it to Twitter. Now in background, I will remove the background color. Now click on the stick button, go to third one, change the network to Instagram. Now also I will change its background color. Now click on the stick button. Now you can add link in it by clicking on this gear button and here in the link. I will add facebook.com. Click on the stick button, go to second one. Here I will add link twitter.com. You can use your profile link here. I will use a dummy here. Now I am done with the second column, so I will go to third one. There first of all I will duplicate this contact us module and I will drag it to the next one. Now here I will go to settings. Now I will change the text. Now it will look like that. Now I will go to design. Now go to text and here I will add 30 pixels of line height. Now click on this tick button, duplicate it and drag it to next column. Now here I will change its text. Now here I have use of my services. Now you can add link in it by I will go to this gear button. Here I will select this text and then I will click on this link. I will add the hashtag form and then I will click on OK. Now in services I will add link hashtag services. OK. Now about us I will add link hash about, and for the contact I will add link hash contact. Now click on this OK button and then click on this tick button. Now click on these three dots and save the footer. Now the footer was successfully updated. Now I will click on this arrow to go back. Now here you can see I have added this global footer. Now you can see all the changes was saved. Now I will visit my site. Go to the footer. Now here you can see I have changed the footer same as the demo site. Here I have added some links and other services, our contact, follow us buttons, and here little description about our company. Now this tutorial was completed today. If you haven't yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about future updates. I will make videos on how to create website on different platforms like Elementor and WP Bakery. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create websites in WordPress. Thanks for watching.